Mastering idioms, understanding, a long shot. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel where we dive into the exciting world of English idioms. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase, a long shot. This idiom is commonly used in both casual and formal English, and understanding it can really enhance your conversational skills. So, let's get started. A long shot refers to something that has a very low probability of happening. It's often used to describe a situation or an outcome that is highly unlikely, almost like betting on a horse with the least chance of winning. The beauty of this phrase lies in its versatility. It can be used in various contexts, from personal goals to business decisions. The term, a long shot, has its roots in sports and gambling. It originates from the world of horse racing, where a long shot referred to a horse that was unlikely to win, and therefore had long odds for betting. Over time, this phrase transcended the racing tracks and became a part of everyday language, symbolizing any low-probability event. 1. In hopeful contexts, applying to that prestigious university is a long shot, but I'm going to try anyway. 2. In business, our startup pitching to big investors is a long shot, but we believe in our idea. 3. In everyday conversations, do you think they'll give us a discount? It's a long shot, but it doesn't hurt to ask. Understanding the context and tone is key when using this phrase. It often conveys a sense of hope and determination despite the odds. Like many idioms, a long shot has variations. Phrases like, not likely, or a shot in the dark, convey similar meanings. However, the choice of phrase can depend on the nuance you want to convey. A shot in the dark often implies a random attempt without much information, whereas a long shot suggests an attempt with slim chances but not entirely uninformed. And there you have it. A long shot is a versatile and commonly used idiom in the English language. We hope this video has shed light on its meaning and usage. Remember, learning idioms can be a long shot in mastering a language, but it's definitely worth the effort. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.